Julie Atwell, the Ninja Oiler, and I'm going to be doing a Facebook Live on August 17th at 7 p.m. It's going to be about how to keep your loved ones well all throughout the year. Oh, not that one. No, not that one either. Okay, not that one either. Okay, not that cute one either. Oh, nope, not that one either. We're talking about these guys right here, how to keep them well all year long. So when they're not well, part of your heart is just breaking. So we're gonna go through some very simple tools on how to keep these guys well. Yes, I am in my car. No, I'm not driving. It's the only quiet place that I could find. And I have Stress Away with me. It's like my own personal spa in here. It's absolutely wonderful. Might be in here a while. So make sure you tune in August 17th, 7 p.m. and we will show you how you can use essential oils to keep your family and your loved ones well all throughout the year. See you then.